In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can remove hidden content such as text and metadata, comments and attachments from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So with your document open in Adobe Acrobat, if All Tools isn't visible, we're going to click All Tools, and then in All Tools, we're going to click View More and choose Redact a PDF. In Redact a PDF, we're going to choose to sanitize document. Now, as you can see, sanitize document removes all hidden data and metadata from your document, so that sensitive information is not passed along when you publish your PDF. And you can either selectively remove things or remove all. Now, when you remove all, it will remove all, but when you choose selectively remove, you can choose which data you want to remove, and Adobe Acrobat shows you the data that's currently in your PDF. So for example, if you choose this one, then you can click remove. When you remove any of these items, remove hidden information message, you click OK. Now it will remove, and it is done removing. So you can see here it has removed all selected items, changes are not applied until you save the document. And then here, be sure to go to menu and choose Save As. Save as a different file. Give it another name. Save it, and now you have both the version from which you have removed the hidden data and the original version that still has that hidden data. But that's how you can easily find and remove hidden content from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.